Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today also I'm going to analyze gold trading analyze for your next week gold trading. So last week I have told the price will reach 2020 level. So price dropped to the 2015 level last week. That is the accurate gold analysis with signals in my Telegram group. So link is below. You can join and make good profit with the VIP Telegram group. So join now. Link is there. So I'm in a daily chart goal. You can see the I have marked the trend line. This price has several times reacted this trend line. That last week that was not happened to break this trend line, and price will continue to the upside last Friday. That is the geographical impact has affected last Friday. So I'm going to the 4 hour chart. So 4 hour chart, you can see that this dropped last Thursday. This is the US inflation increase 3.4%. That bill price dropped to the 2015. That is the drop movement affected last Thursday with the inflation report USA 3.4% increase. That is the this down movement is affected. So and the last Friday is the happen Friday. That's the geographical tension is continuing. This is the movement price went to the 2060 level. That is the geographical tension. Geographical impact is more powerful than the economic data. Price reached 2060 again. That is the FX Street website mentioning. So source of geographical tension. That is the reason for the price increase. Price gold price went to the 2060 again with the market risk of sentiment. Market fear, market tension is continuing within the last Friday. So that is price went to the 2060 level from 2015 level, and the $45 went in the within a day last Friday. That is the geographical intention market uncertainty has created last Friday. So $45 price went to the last Friday. So that is the happen in market uncertainty. So gold is a safe haven asset, you should remember. So safe haven asset will demand with the market tension, geographical tension. So next week retail sales US dollar, that the economic data you should follow if you are trading gold. That's the US dollar. Fed, American Central Bank, what is saying. Retail sales is next week. You should touch with the retail sales next week. So I'm going to the technically what is the going on next week. So next week also geographical tension, market uncertainty is there. You should remember that the as a safe haven asset goal should demand next week. So this trend line I'm going in for our chart. This trend line was brought to the upside last week with the market uncertainty. So you can see that this price action canals is a pattern is continuing to the upside and break to the upside, so that you can see the levels. So this is the pattern. So technically this pattern has break to the upside. This is the trend line. So price has several times reacted this trend line and break to the upside with the market risk of sentiment. US and UK attack to the Gaza. That is the market uncertainty was created. So this breakout to the upside, if market tension, geographical tension is will continuing next week. So I hope price will reach 2075 or above next week. That is the my forecast next week. So if market geographical tension will continuing next week, so I am affected 2075 is the my next week target. So this zone has the resistance zone, break to the upside will break, and price will continue to the 2070 75 or above level in next week. That is the my forecast next week. So you should touch with the geographical impact also in next week. So 2070 75 is the my next week next level target. So should remember the geographical tension. That is the more important things is next week is the goal trading. So get the trade from the smaller time frame confirmation. So thank you